Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel for another great trip review. For those who are new, please subscribe to our channel and check the notification box so that you are in the loop for new videos. Today, we're traveling to London Heathrow on American Airlines 777 on business class from JFK. Initially, this trip was booked to be a direct flight from RDU to London Heathrow. However, due to the flight delay, I was rebooked through JFK. The Admirals Club in Raleigh is a great place to relax before the flight. Although small, this lounge provides different seating areas, snacks, foods for purchase, and drinks. Because of the route change, my flight to JFK was on economy class and I was unable to record that segment of the trip. The business class leg is from JFK to Heathrow. I hope you enjoyed this trip review. On the international flights, I have access to AA Flagship Lounge or One World Lounge. AA has improved many of its flagship lounge around the world. JFK is no exception. The lounge is gorgeous and provides many amenities for its customers such as hot food, beverages, private quiet area, meeting rooms, showers, and children's play area. It also provides access to a great view for spotting planes. I have flown out of JFK numerous times on many international flights to Africa, Europe, and South America. I'm always impressed with this particular lounge. Boarding process for this flight was easy and on time. First and business class, American and One World Elite members have priority in boarding. As I got acquainted with my seat, I checked the in-flight amenities provided to the business class customers, such as meal menu for dinner selection, a pillow and a blanket, travel kit bag, Bose headphones, and a bottle of water. The American Airlines in-flight entertainment is great and contains multiple selections of movies, TV shows, live TV, and music.
Even if the plastic bag doesn't inflate, oxygen is flowing. And remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others. Life vests are located either under or next to your seat. To remove the vest, pull the seal. For help locating them, see your safety card. Remove the vest from the package like this. Put the vest in it. The safety card shows how to use tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube on the side. Do a final test and check. After takeoff, we'll be back with more information. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. As always, we're here to make your flight great. Because great is what we're going for.
Shortly after the safety video, we began our taxiing to our runway for takeoff. And to our surprise, there was no traffic given how busy JFK is. Since this was a quick, short 6.5-hour flight, I selected my meal to be served at once so that I can maximize my sleep. I was not able to capture the full meal service video. The meal had a great presentation and it was delicious. We began our descent in London around 6:35 a.m., where we had amazing sunrise views. Breakfast is provided to business class customers. However, I decided not to have meal on the plane. We arrived at Heathrow 15 minutes earlier than our scheduled arrival time. Overall, I rate this trip an 8 out of 10, and this is just because of the delay and rerouting. Other than that, it was a great and smooth flight with great customer service from the flight crew and the airport agent who assisted me in rebooking my flight. I'm really grateful for them. Upon my arrival, I checked out the AA Arrivals Lounge. AA offers arrival lounge for its business and first class passengers at the Heathrow Airport, where I had my breakfast and got ready to head to the city for a quick visit before heading on my next flight. I hope that you enjoyed this American Airlines business class trip review. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe and make sure that you like, share, and leave a positive comment below. We appreciate you and see you on the next trip.